For over 40 years, Jamaica has been a beacon in the Caribbean and beyond for its progressive approach to electoral governance. The ECJ has stood as a bulwark against political manipulation, ensuring that no government, no matter how power-hungry, can unilaterally shift constituency boundaries to its advantage. It is this principled approach that helped bring an end to the political violence of the past, where hundreds of Jamaicans lost their lives in the bloody run-up to the 1980 elections. It is this principled approach why just a couple elections ago, won by the slimmest of margins, was accepted without protest by the parties, losing party, and the general public because of the principled approach that the ECJ has taken. No, Mr. President, this JLP government, in a shameless bid to tilt the scales in its favor, seeks to override this long-standing system by adjusting constituency boundaries under the guise of establishing a new parish. This is a naked abuse of power, a perversion of the parliamentary process, and an outright betrayal of the Jamaican people.